So it's Thursday now, 15th of January. Sorry about my voice. I went to the sauna yesterday and needed to jump into the snow, so it's yeah, and not the best. But yeah, like today we have what we have. Let's see what we have. 15 minutes. We have small term, mid term, and big term trends. Everything down. GBPUSD, only a small term trend is looking up. Mid term and big term looks like down. Let's close this for now, this indicator, and let's see. So EURUSD, do we have something? Some levels? Oh yeah, actually we have actually really good level in here, like this. So we have quite nice level. This level could be as target as well. Yeah, okay, we have level here. GBPUSD, what do we have? Do we have recent levels? Something is in here, and yeah, here is everything tapped. On the left side as well, everything tapped. Yeah, so looks like today we have Euro USD level in here to tap. I don't know, like it's not ideal place in here, but this could be final target for Euro USD. Yeah, so let's check out this as well, what happened yesterday. So yesterday with EURUSD I marked out those three levels, and I said to you that the first one I would go in, second one would be even better. And what happened, we actually like I guess it was like 20 minutes, 10 or 20 minutes after our session, we had the signal. I can show you the signal as well. Where is it? Here. So it was 15 minutes after our session ended. We actually tapped into this area. We had real value indicator signal, and from there we just went up. And on 15 minutes I can show you as well. If you line up your entries with order blocks, see, here was our order block and price went exactly there. This was 3.5 hour trade, so I didn't took it, but just it was there. And from there as well, price just reversed and went down. So if you really learn about order blocks, I think it will be really nice. Yeah, and yeah, we had GBPUSD trade open as well. So I kind of messed up this trade, not messed up, but when my session is over, I try to get out of the trades as soon as possible. Like my idea is that I don't need to watch the markets whole day. So I try to just find the places where I can go out. I found opposite signal, so I took around, I don't know, 0.8%. If I risk 1%, 0.8% take profit. But what happened was that this was our trade and it hit the take profit 1 and 2. So yesterday quite nice day. Yeah, if you would have traded whole day yesterday, I don't know, yesterday was like really good that wise. Like every order block hit that, I don't know, everything made sense. But yeah, today I don't know, I really would like to see something with GBPUSD as well. Let's just, it's just provisional, we don't trade that way. Let's just see what happens if we would mark out 5-minute order blocks. Okay, I already see. We tapped in here, we took off. We tapped in here, we took off. And now we have one more to go. Yeah. As I said, we don't have anything in 50 minutes. Let's just see. Our point this year is to grow all together. I will show you how we look at things, how I check if I want to see something else or test something. And right now I would say that perfect day to test. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's see if we have anything in there. Yeah, actually we had the signal here, so 5-minute order block worked out. We had the signal here, so 5-minute order block worked out, and we had sell signal here, so 5-minute worked out. So potentially, if you traded like started trading around 1 hour ago, there would have been 3 take profits, but it's provisionally. It's not that we now, based on that chart, based on today, start trading of 5 minutes. But it is something what I have kept eye on for the long time, because sometimes there is like really good setups. I'm quite sure that the EURUSD has something like this as well. Yep. So I don't know, let's start here. 2 hours ago here it was a nice order block, price tapped. Do we have order block? Yes, we have order block in here as well. Yeah, okay, let it be there. And we have order block in here, and all of those order blocks have great target in here. So let's see if we could hit this great target. Let's go to 1 minute. So what happened? Yep, we hit the signal, we hit the order block, and we went down. But no, yeah, no more signals. Yeah, so there was only one potential setup, but still, it's quite good. Yeah, but let's get back. But this is just something what I probably start keeping eye on. This, 5-minute order blocks and overall, because like yeah, you can see like let's just take like randomly last 3 hours. If you just look at like real value indicator signals, here was buy, what happened, price went up. Here was sell, what happened, price went down. Buy, price went up. Buy again, price went up. Sell, price went down. So basically real value indicator itself is already like if you use it correct way and at correct place, then I would say it's really like powerful at itself. Only thing what we just need is it to line up with time, because like time-based trading, I guess like last few years it has been my thing, because I know my times, my sessions, and I know that they have their like way to be. And if you find that out, you can be really successful. And also stop loss, take profit, plus if you know, is it 15-minute, 5-minute, if you know the areas, for example, if you go back to the 5 minutes or in here, GBPUSD, great example. If you know those areas that you want to have buys here, you want to have sells here, you want to have buys here, if you know those areas, then it's really easy. So yeah, let's keep eye on it. You can also like remind me when we are live that let's check 5-minute as well, what's happening in there, because yeah, today I already see that 5-minute makes a lot of sense. Only thing what is there for 5 minutes, I don't know, like I don't know if like yeah, it was like over a year ago, like 1.5 years ago. I actually traded with negative RR, and it was really successful. I think I have never made that much percentage wise what I made with negative RR. My 2024 with only 2% risk was over 400% here with negative RR, and with 5 minutes, I guess that's actually like could be the thing, negative RR, because you see, um, if you buy in here, Sabrina, you mean like negative RR example, or okay? So what does it mean is that my stop loss, like is I lose more in a trade than I earn. So right now we use 1 to 1, like almost 1 to 1, and we had 2 to 1. So we, for example, if you risk 100, then we will gain, take profit 1 is 100 and take profit 2 is 200, or whichever is our case. But back then I risked 100 to make 50. Like it sounds maybe ridiculous, but your win rate is so much higher. So if I will show you here example, because looks like today we don't have any trades. So for example here, it was stop loss was 4.7 pips and take profit was 2.8. So for example here, of course here that was great trade, we would have hit at 1 to 1, even 2 to 1 as well, but 2.8, this would have been my take profit. Here this would have been my take profit. Right now maybe it doesn't make sense, but when I show it to you in here, let me put 4.7 and 2.8. So here it makes sense. But I guess you just closed them earlier. Like this was my intention to have this kind of rate, and but yeah, like I said, in here, for example, it makes sense. And if our entry was in here, so I wouldn't enter basically here, I guess. 4.7, yeah, it doesn't. It looks like we don't have any setups today, yes. So far, if EURUSD will hit that level, then maybe, but right now it seems, yeah, no setups. But yeah, about those negative RR trades, the case was that you will win more often. Your emotions will be better. That was the time when I started to teach about trading, and I remember that was like, in one way, that was the best time, because like it's so easy to teach trading that way, that you, like, I guess we had like 88% win rate. So we will, like, right now we have, with 1 to 1s we had 75% win rate or something, but with 0.5 R we had like 88% win rate. So imagine, it's basically if we have 2 trades per day on average, and trade every day, it means that we only lose 1 trade per week. That, like, in your head, it's just like, if you see the setup, you'll just take it, because it's 90% chance you're going to win. So that way it was like, emotionally, I would say, easiest way to trade. Of course, the negative side, if you really messed something up, or market started to playing against you, then 2 losses and you need to make 4 trades to make those losses back. So that was the negative side of it. But yeah, actually, like I am still keeping eye on this negative risk reward, and yeah, like for me it makes sense. I know that back then actually, like I think I had in my social media right now, like 2025, I think I gained 15 subscribers on TikTok and lost like 10 or like followers. So nothing happened because like I show my trades, I show I trade and so on, so people don't have anything to say, to comment, nothing. But when I started 2024, in 1 month, I think one post got really viral, because imagine you're posting like negative risk reward, and those fake gurus out there says that you need to only trade the way they trade. I don't know, by the way, I still like don't understand how this is the thing right now, that every guru has those rules that you need to have like win more than you lose. I can tell you, based on institutions, they will have basically zero point 0.1 or something. They don't trade like, of course there is like many institutions and so on, so I can say that everyone is doing like this. But for example, the one where I was working, let's I can say, I can show you how they basically trade it. So let's take it this way. Here is the area where they see that they want to sell. Of course they saw more than we see right now, because they see orders, they see in real time, they see order, where is stop losses, where is take profits and so on. So they have whole like liquidity providers data. Now let's go to the 5 seconds, because it was like ultra fast trading. So okay, let's say this was the place to go. So in here they didn't watch like any, like I don't know, candlestick patterns or like order blocks or something. They just saw the areas. They see that okay, here is, let's put it in here, here is like 5 times more sellers than buyers, which means probably market is going to reverse. So they just, let's put order, they just sold here, or like how can I let's put it in here. They have their sell position in here. They see okay, something start to happen, they scale in here, they scale in here, and they scale in here on the way down as well. Now like they didn't even look at the chart, they didn't care what's happening in chart. They just saw that okay, here is a lot of sellers, here is like not a lot of buyers. So what they actually did was stop loss. I don't know if they even had stop loss. They just closed when like something didn't work out, or like based on the data. So they didn't watch that, hey, now I'm like 5%, 5 pips in profit, now I should close. No, they just see that here is a lot of sellers and now buyers are coming up. So let's say that here they see that there is a buyers, like the block of buyers coming up in here. So what they did, they get those sell positions and they close in here. Usually that was like 1 or 2 pips, that's it. But imagine they can do it basically in every way. Like when I left, they already started to put robots in there, or like AIs, like yeah, EAs, not AIs. AI is still not the thing, but EAs, or like Forex bots, put in there to trade automatically that way. So yeah, they just catch their 1 or 2 pips, but they do it like whole day, and they have like really good way. and that's like, I guess that's where this negative RR idea came from. So for example, I don't know, like this in here, I guess that wasn't the best order block even with 5 minutes as well. But like for example, when you bought in here, right now you can see we would have like around stop loss. But also when you see that, you know, here is wall of sellers, why not to close even if it's 0.5 r, like 0.5 pips, let's say, still it's a win. And if you just catch win, I don't know, for example, small win here, a small sell win here, small sell win here, small buy, if you catch those things throughout the day, like you can't lose and taking profit. So so yeah, but now it's just like really common that you want to have entry like this and stop loss like, I don't know, this, and then like take profit like this. Like I can tell you, you can't be more far away from you know, this like how institutional traders trading. Yeah, on YouTube I have seen it a lot. I think the case is it looks really good on paper to catch those trades, but I think in reality it's not meant for a lot of people, because even me, I couldn't handle this. I couldn't, even if I would have like really good, I don't know, strategy. For example, there was turtle traders. They had like 20% win rate. They made billions, and but 20 wasn't even like 10%. So they lost most of the trades. Like their case was just they wanted to enter literally here, and if they win, they won so big. But it's not meant for everyone. For me, it's not. I know it 100%. It's not for me. I would rather take my small win, get out. I don't care what's happening next. Yeah, my trading style. I just want to have those areas where price is likely to return. For example, as you saw in here, in here, in here, and in here, we would got the loss. So we would have like 3 winners, 1 loss. That's it. I don't care what market wants to do next day, or like I can predict pretty well, like daily moves, what market is going to do throughout the day. Like okay, I don't start predicting now, but yeah, in my group I have predicted it a lot, what is market going to do, and it's usually doing exactly like that. But just it's best when you see the areas, see the reaction, and you get your 5 pips. That's it. But now our session is over. No trades today. So yeah, Monday was break even. Yesterday was kind of weird, almost take profit one hitted, although we hit actually take profit 1 and 2 with GBPUSD. Today no trades. Yeah, let's see what tomorrow will bring us. Thank you all for joining, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.